My name is James Golly, and I work in special effects and film. My name on set is Jimmy Claus from the X-Men series, and I'm going to teach some very simple practical understanding of electricity, dealing with batteries. So anybody who wants to know where it's dangerous and such, I'll be showing that at some point. And I'm going to start off with showing the impact of voltage. Now each one of these batteries is 1.5 volts. So I've marked with 2 of them 3, 6, 9, 12 volts. These are AA batteries, and I'm going to start off with just a simple light bulb right here at 12 volts. All right, so I'm going to start off. This just tells me that the switch is on, and here's the first one. The filament is so dim you can hardly see it with one battery. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 12 volts. It's a 12 volt bulb, and I'm going to run it up until it burns out later, but right now I'm just proving how that works. Now this bulb here is a 6 volt bulb. I'm just going to switch the wires over. So I'm going to start again down at one battery. You can barely see it. 2, 3. That's 6 volts. That's the battery or the bulb's rating. Now going higher, it's brighter, brighter, brighter. That's 12. Now I know if I leave this on, it's going to burn out, so I'm not going to do that right now. So here's a bulb that I don't know the voltage. So I'm going to hook it up. Just by hand. And if you don't know the voltage of the bulb, you start off low so you don't burn it out. Some bulbs are only good for 1.5 volts. Well, I got nothing. So I'm going to move it up to 6. Here we go. It's on, but it's pretty dim. So 6 volts. Probably safe to go to 12. There we go. Now this is an automotive bulb, often found in European cars. Looks like a fuse. It's a 12 volt bulb. This is a halogen bulb. It's also rated at 12 volts, but I'm going to start it off at 6. All right, you can see it caused this to dim a little bit, so it's using a lot of power. So we're going to try it at 12. Now that's probably burning the camera, but this is often used in like overhead lighting for indoor use. And what else have we got? We've got this one here. Again, not sure the voltage, so we start off lower at 6. There it is. So it's safe at 6. Go up to 12. There we go. So always good for testing. Just start low and work your way up. Then you're not going to burn something out. And if it's super bright, chances are you're over. Okay, here we have the fuse that we had in the Lampegoid, the Vancouver Lampegoid, for the last series of tests. Now it's intended to